Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to your Gmail signature in 2025. Adding an image, whether it's a company logo, a personal photo, or a fun icon, can instantly make your emails look more professional and personalized. And the best part, it's super simple once you know the steps. First, open your Gmail account. In the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on it, then select See All Settings. This will open the full settings page where you can customize Gmail in all sorts of ways. Once you're here, make sure you're in the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is where all the magic happens. If you already have a signature, it will be displayed here. If not, click Create New to get started. Now, let's add your image. In the signature editor, look for the small icon that looks like a mountain with a sun. This is the Insert Image button. Click it, and you'll see a few ways to add your image. If the image is saved on your computer, choose Upload, then find your file and upload it. Make sure it's the right size so it doesn't appear too big or blurry in your emails. If your image is online, you can insert it directly using the URL. Just copy the image link, paste it into the box, and it will appear in your signature. You can also use Google Drive. Just select your image from Drive, and it will insert automatically. Once your image is in place, take a moment to adjust it. You can center it, resize it, or move it around to make sure it looks just right. Finally, don't forget this crucial step. Scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. If you skip this, all your hard work will be lost, and that's it. Your Gmail signature now includes an image, giving your emails a professional and personalized touch every time you send one. Experiment with different images, logos, or icons, and make your emails truly stand out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Gmail tips and tutorials. Happy emailing!